Wait a second. Where's my L? Mayhem. Oh, we can fix this. Right, Mayhem? All right. Hi, friends. Welcome back to Learning with Lacy. Today, we're doing birds, bugs, and butterflies. We're going to learn about everything with wings. Maybe make a pair of wings for ourselves. Like my Birds of Prey jacket, I got it out just for you. Might get in the way of things, clearly. So I'm going to put it away. I'll be right back. Whew. Okay, I'm back, friends. Gosh, I was thinking, were you thinking, ESPs, about all the things with wings? You know, there's so many birds, and there's so many bugs, bees, dragonflies, mosquitoes. Nobody likes mosquitoes. Oh, and then there's all these pretty butterflies, and I'm just thinking, Easy, what do you think? You think we should try to fly like some of these things with wings? Have this great book. I grew up with this book. It was part of my encyclopedia. I'm pretty proud of it, but it has this fun thing about all these animals. I think we need to get our bodies up and moving, and we're gonna fly like different animals, bugs. Ready? When you hear something that has wings, we'll stop. Cats purr, lions roar, owls hoot. Let's fly like an owl. Hoot, hoot, hoot. Let's see what's next. Bears snore, crickets creak. Now you know, I don't know if crickets have wings. Oh yeah, crickets have wings. Let's creak and fly like a cricket. Creak, creak, creak. Creak, creak, creak. Mice squeak, sheep baa, but I speak. Monkeys chatter, cows moo, ducks quack. Let's fly like a duck. Ready? Ooh, they love ducks. Do you love ducks, Ivy? Quack, 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 quack. We love ducks. Let's see what's next. Ooh, doves. This is a dove. Do they have wings? Doves coo. Let's fly like a dove. Coo, coo, coo. Ready? Pigs squeal, horses neigh. Oh, chickens. Chickens have wings. Cluck. Let's cluck like a chicken. Fly like a chicken. Cluck, 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 cluck. But I say, flies. Oh, we know about flies. They land on my candy. Flies hum. Let's fly like fly. They have wings. Hum, hum, hum. Ooh, dogs growl. Do you guys growl? Sometimes. Bats. Bats have wings. Bats screech. Can we fly like a bat? Screech! 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 Ooh, coyotes howl. Frogs croak. Parrots, those colorful birds. Parrots squawk. I heard they can talk too. Some special parrots. Ready? Let's fly like a parrot. Squawk! 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 Bees. Bees bring us honey. I do love bees, except when they sting. They have wings. Let's fly like a bee. They buzz. But I talk. I'd like to fly. That would be so wonderful. I often think, why can't I fly?
Ivory, why don't you think I can fly? Mama East Peas, why don't you think I can fly?
Why do you guys think I can't fly? Is it because I don't have feathers like birds? Maybe I don't have the buzzy wings like a bee. Maybe I don't have the pretty wings like a butterfly. Wonder why I can't fly.
Oh, what's that, Easy? They wrote a book about it? Why can't I fly? Hey! Let's read this. Hey, guys, come on. Let's read the book. Ready, mamas?
Come on, guys. Ready, East Peas? You go easy. Come on, Mayhem. Ivory, come on. Sit. Why Can't I Fly? By Rita Golden Gelman. Pictures by Jack Kent. I can run, Minnie said. I can jump so high. I can swing, I can hang, I can climb to the sky. Ooh, I love climbing trees. But somebody tell me, please, why can't I fly? Let me see. Let me think. I know why. It's those things on your feet. Those feet things can't fly. Take them off. Take them off. Then climb way up high. Without things on your feet, I'm sure you will fly. Goodbye. Come here, Mayhem. Sit down. Minnie climbed in her feet. She climbed to the top. And she said, I can fly. I can fly. I can. Ready, Mayhem? Flop. Oh, Birdie didn't want to even look at it. Oh no, what a mess. That's not right. That's all wrong. You don't fly with your feet. You fly with a song. I sing all the time. I sing low, I sing high. I go back up and sing because songs make you fly. Goodbye. So up Minnie went, and she sang from the top. I can fly, I can fly, I can fly, I can flop. Oh no. Ooh, in the bushes? No, that's not right. Can't you tell? Can't you see? If you want to fly, you need spots like me. There's the ladybug. Let me spot you with red. Let me spot you with black. On your tail, on your head, on your ears, on your back. Now you are spotted. You can sail through the sky. No worry at all, because spots will make you fly. Goodbye. And so with her spots, Minnie climbed to the top and she said, I can fly, I can fly, I can. Oh, flop. Oh, duck saw the flop. Oh, no, 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 that's not how you do it. It's feathers you need. Yes, that's all there is to it. Let me glue you all up. Then before you get dry, just roll in those feathers and then you can fly. Goodbye. So she rolled in the feathers and she climbed to the top and she said, I can fly, I can fly, I can flop. Butterfly saw the flop. It isn't your feet. It isn't the song. It isn't the feathers. Oh no, they are wrong. And it isn't those red and black things. If you want to fly, you have to have wings. Come here, Ivory. We will make some right now. We can if we try. And when you have wings, I'm sure you will fly. Goodbye. Ooh, those are pretty wings. So she put on her wings and she went to the top and she said, I can fly, I can fly, I can flop. That's a good flop, Ivory, good flop. Butterfly saw it, birds saw it. Oh, everybody saw it. Ladybug and duck saw it. They saw the flop, Mayhay. It's no use. I give up. I won't fly. I will climb. You will fly. Go up in that tree one more time. Sometimes we gotta do it one more time. All right, Minnie said, but it's my last try. And she said, I can fly, I can fly, I can fly. Her friends helped her. You see the sheet? Goodbye. Oh, wonderful friends. Yellows, did you like that book? Did you like it, Mayhay? Yes. Hey, I have an idea, friends. Let's make our own wings. What do you think, guys? Come on. Check this out, my fly friends. If you were able to stop in at Community Ed and get a Learning with Lacy kit for birds, bugs, and butterflies, you have everything you need to make your own wings. If you didn't, there's lots of stuff that you can find at home to make it happen too. Want to open it? Ooh. So we have a box here that has 4 different containers with stuff to help you make your wings. We have a foam sheet. This is our wing sheet. This is how we're gonna make our wings. And then we have 1, 2, 3 tracers. This is what you can use to help trace to make your wing. Now, what type of wing do you think this is? It's only half a wing. Let me show you. It might help if I fold this over. This is just a little extra help you line it up on your foam sheet. If you don't have a foam sheet at home, any piece of paper this big can work, okay? Because what we're gonna do is fold it in half to make wings. All right, ready? What kind of wing do you think it is? Give you a hint, it's something with feathers. Number 1 is a bird wing. Yes. Let's look at number 2. Ooh. Number 2 has 2 bumps for wings. Bzzz. It's a bee wing. I think it might look like a bee wing. Number 3. It always has pretty wings. A butterfly. If you want to make a butterfly wing, you can use number 3. You can use number 2 to make a bee wing, or number 1 to make a bird wing. Let me show you how we're going to do it. This foam is kind of easy to cut. And in preschool, in kindergarten, all through school, we're going to have to cut a lot. So we can cut this foam, but make sure when you're using scissors, you are very careful and you put your thumb up when you're cutting. See, there's 2 holes. Little hole, it's where my thumb goes. The big hole is where I can put 2 of my fingers. Just like that. And when I cut, I always keep my thumb up, keep it up top. I don't want to be cutting like this. Don't do it. Don't do it. Thumbs up. Okay, guys? I'm going to take our foam sheet, or any sheet that you got that's big enough. I think these are 12 by 18 inches, big peoples. Fold it in half, because we're going to make 2 wings with 1 cut. We're going to try. If we can't, we can always trace it twice. We're going to try to trace it once. All right, fold it in half. This is the folded side. Think about it. If you were a square, these would be your wings, or a rectangle. Got it folded in half, and what should I do? I like the number 3. I love the number 3. Butterfly wings. Right here, this is to help us line up your wings. Right here, we're gonna line it up on the fold. You see, if it makes it easier, maybe you wanna fold this right here. This inside edge, you want it on the edge right there. See it, guys? Okay, I'm ready to trace. Ooh, here's some extras you might need. Glue, hold that pigeon. Scotch tape, hold that pheasant. A pencil is what you'll need to use to trace on this foam sheet. Pencils are the best. If you want to decorate more, you can use crayon too. Markers smudge on foam sheets, don't use markers. Okay, my friends, then what I do next is I trace carefully around. Might have to go slow. I'm going. It might not be very dark. Ooh, I went off my tracer, but it's okay. And maybe if you have extra paper at home, you can make every single one of these wings. It's great. Ooh, I've got it traced. If you're really good, you can cut them together. This might also be a time to have a big person help you, but I want you to try. Cutting is very good. Make sure you go around. I'm keeping my thumb up. Going around those curves. These curves are so good to practice and practice. Maybe cutting is tough for you, and that's why you practice, so you can get better. Oh man, got it. I'm holding it. I'm cutting both sheets at once. I can do it, I can do it. Okay, let's speed it up. Yes, thumbs up. All right, got yellow butterfly wings. I'll throw that away. I have yellow dogs. These are perfect for yellow dogs. Inside our boxes, if you're able to have them, let's decorate these wings. If you got a Learning with Lacy kit, in here, this green stuff is a little present for you. I'm not opening it. That's for you to open. There's 3 little presents. My favorite number. We have some feathers to decorate our wings. You can use your tape or your glue to try to get those feathers on. If you use glue, you gotta let it dry. It takes a while. Tape sticks. And then you have lots of different shapes. But I made sure, I tried really hard. If you got one, oh, I was looking for my triangle. If you got one blue triangle, try to make sure you had two blue triangles, or red squares, or yellow circles. But for butterflies, if they have a little shape or a spot right here, they always have the same one on the other wing, so you can make a perfect butterfly wing. You have your sticky shapes to decorate your wings. You have your feathers to decorate your wings. And if you want to add extra color, like I said, get those color crayons. Once you decorate one side of your wings, have a big person help you attach your elastic. That's also in your container. So I have 2 pieces of elastic. 1, 2, because we have 2 arms to make our wings here. Okay, ready? I also have super sticky tape. Don't grab this. Have a big person grab this too. They can help you. 1, 2 pieces of sticky tape to help attach your wings. Okay, let's pretend I decorated it. This is the decorated side. We'll pretend. On the inside, we're gonna put our elastic for our wings. So we're gonna take one, and we're gonna make a knot right at the top. We'll take another, and we'll make a knot right at the top. Ooh, and I'll get a piece of my tape. What we're going to be doing is attaching our elastic, one on this side and one on this side. I like to put this knot on the top, and I'm gonna put the tape right across like this. I want the knot on the top because then it doesn't dig into my back as much. I don't know. Maybe you don't wear wings as much as I do. I don't wear wings that much, okay? So you wanna take your tape. I think we should all wear wings a lot more though. It's great to fly. You see, I'm gonna put one here and one here. Put right here. Do you see it? Let's get another one on. There. Maybe some of us need to make this a little tighter here. I tried to give you enough elastic, but I think we need to find some models to try this wing on, these wings on. 1 second, I'll be right back. Come on, guys. Ooh. Hey, by the way, I had these extra just hanging around. Ivory, you wanna try the white ones on? Or the yellow ones? Let's try them out. Here go, Ives. Get the other wing on. Oh yeah. That's some good stuff. Oh yeah. Mayhem, do you like your sister's wings? Do you want some too? Should we try some white ones? Ooh yeah. Oh, you look so good. Ivory, stand up. Do you want to show off your wings? Yeah! They're great. Friends, I hope you had fun. And I hope you go and make some wings of your own and go and fly outside
It's wonderful to fly. Bye, my flight friends.
Hey, my fly friends, go and explore the winged things around your home, but make sure you tell an adult. These yellows love things that fly. Let's go find some, guys.